So today we will do an activity regarding fraction. Okay, it is there in your textbook already, page number 85. So here you need materials like glazed paper strip, each of 8 centimeter. Okay, so that glazed paper strip is given at the end of your textbook. Okay, it is given at the end of your textbook with this color. So turn to this page and cut a strips of 8 centimeter. How many strips you will cut? You will cut 3 strips of 8 centimeter. So now what you do, take a small scale or whatever scale you have with you. Okay, I have already told you how to measure length. Yes, so what you do, take a scale and at the end of this paper, you can see everyone, at the end of this paper keep a scale. Okay, number 8 is there on the scale. Yes, so that number 8 should touch to this end of edge of this paper. Okay, number 8 should touch to this edge of paper and number 0 should be at the starting point. 0 should be here and number 8 should be here. So like this, draw a line here. Okay, here draw a line and draw a line like this. Yes, so now what you do, take a scissor or with a scale only you can cut the paper. Okay, take this much width of strip, cut this strip and again take one more strip and one more strip. Don't cut from here. Okay, you need to cut from this line to the end of that paper. Okay, like this you need to take 3 strips. So cut your paper into 3 parts. So 1, 2, 3. So these all 3 papers of 8 centimeter. So now take out these strips. Take out all these strips out. Okay, now you have taken all 3 strips out from that book. So now take only one strip in that and fold it exactly to each of the end of the paper. So fold it exactly half. Okay, fold it like this. Now open this. You got a line in between. Yes, you got a line in between. So this line, now this line is divided, this one paper, into 2 equal parts. Means one part is half and this part is also half. So write on this half. Okay, write on this half like this. Okay, so now this is half and this is half. This line is divided this paper into 2 equal parts. Now keep this aside and take one more paper and fold as it is exactly half. Okay, fold it like this. Now again you got half of this paper. Now again this line is divided this paper into 2 equal parts. So now only this one end, here you have a line. So to that line you need to add and fold it like this. Okay, so now this is a half and now open this one. Now tell me what is this? 1/4. Okay, this is 1/4 of it and this is also 1/4 of it. So now this is half. Okay, in this half again if you fold, again you will get, okay, again you will get 2 parts here. So total how many parts we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it shows that each part is 1/4. 1/4 in the sense the one paper is divided into 4 equal parts. So we can write it as 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. Okay. Okay, like this we can write, and wherever you have a line here you need to draw a line on that line with a pencil. Okay, so now we have learned how to divide the paper into the fractions. So now we have divided a whole paper into number of fractions. Like the one is we divided into a half and another one we divided into 4 equal parts. So now what you do, you just stick this strip in your notebook and above that write half or 1 upon 2. Okay, and after that take this 1 upon 4th strip, stick it below this half strip, then write it as 1 upon 4 or 1/4. Got it? So do it in your fair book. Thank you. Do it in your fair book and you need to write this all. Okay, write an activity, and this is the objective to understand the concept of fraction, and here you have a materials required. These materials are required in your maths kit only, that is glazed paper strip each of 8 centimeter. Write all this, then take a half strip where you have done half. Okay, take that one and stick in your notebook like this and write here half or 1 upon 2. Okay, after that take where you have done 1/4. Okay, below this you stick this and write 1 upon 4 or 1/4. Okay, like this you need to complete it in your notebook.